Welcome. Your garden can be more than beautiful. It can be a natural pharmacy. For millennia, our ancestors turned to plants for healing, a wisdom now making a comeback as we reconnect with nature. Today we'll explore 10 healing herbs you can grow at home, on a balcony, in a backyard, or even a window box. These humble plants offer benefits for body and mind, from boosting immunity to soothing stress. Let's dive in and discover the secrets of these green healers. We begin our journey with the bay laurel, known botanically as Laurus nobilis. This evergreen tree has been cherished for centuries, not only as a symbol of wisdom and victory in ancient Greece and Rome, but also as a powerful medicinal herb that has stood the test of time. Its glossy, aromatic leaves have adorned the heads of poets and champions, and today, they continue to grace our kitchens and gardens with their subtle strength. Bay leaves are far more than just a fragrant addition to your favorite recipes. They contain unique compounds that help regulate blood sugar, support heart health, and soothe digestion. For generations, families have relied on bay leaves to ease stomach discomfort, reduce bloating, and even calm the mind. Their gentle, earthy aroma can transform a simple meal into a nourishing ritual, making them a true staple in kitchens around the world. To enjoy their benefits, simply add a dried bay leaf to soups, stews, or sauces as they simmer, infusing your dishes with both flavor and wellness. Or, for a calming daily ritual, steep a few leaves in hot water to create a soothing herbal tea. This gentle brew can help settle your stomach after a meal and offer a moment of peace in a busy day. The bay laurel tree itself is remarkably resilient and easy to care for. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for both garden beds and containers on a sunny patio. With just a little attention, your bay tree will reward you with lush, aromatic leaves year-round, bringing a touch of ancient tradition to your home. When it's time to harvest, simply pick mature leaves, allow them to dry in a cool, shaded spot, and store them for future use. Dried bay leaves retain their potency for months, offering you a simple, ancient remedy at your fingertips whenever you need it. The evergreen bay laurel stands as a quiet reminder of nature's enduring strength and the wisdom of traditions passed down through generations. Its presence in your garden or home is a living link to the past and a promise of wellness for the future. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are right in our gardens, waiting to be discovered, cherished, and shared with those we love. Lavender's purple blooms are more than beautiful. They're a source of peace and calm. Its scent, rich in linalool, reduces anxiety and promotes restful sleep, as proven by science. Steep dried flowers for a soothing tea, or tuck sachets into your pillow for all-night tranquility. Lavender also repels mosquitoes and attracts pollinators, making it a garden multitasker. Harvest flowers as they open, dry them, and enjoy their fragrance year-round. Whether in a bath, tea, or bouquet, lavender brings serenity into your daily life. Cultivate calm with this hardy, sun-loving plant. Rosemary, often called the dew of the sea, has been cherished for centuries as a symbol of memory and fidelity. Its name comes from the Latin Eros marinus, reflecting its natural habitat along the Mediterranean coast, where salty breezes and sun nurture its growth. Ancient scholars wore rosemary garlands during exams, believing its scent could sharpen the mind and help them remember their studies. Today, science confirms what tradition has long suggested. The invigorating aroma of rosemary can stimulate the brain, enhancing focus, mental clarity, and recall. Even a gentle whiff while working or studying may help you concentrate and retain information more effectively. Beyond its mental benefits, rosemary is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These natural chemicals help protect the body's cells from damage, slow the effects of aging, and may even lower the risk of chronic diseases. Rosemary's piney, slightly peppery flavor makes it a favorite in kitchens around the world. Add it to roasted vegetables, infuse oils for salad dressings, or steep its leaves in hot water for a soothing herbal tea. Each method unlocks both its delicious taste and its healthful properties. This hardy, drought-tolerant shrub is remarkably easy to grow. Whether you plant it in a sun-drenched pot on your balcony or let it flourish as a fragrant hedge in your garden, rosemary requires little care and rewards you with year-round greenery. Simply brushing your hand through its needle-like leaves releases a burst of fresh, invigorating fragrance. This simple act can lift your spirits, clear your thoughts, and provide a natural boost to your mood and memory. With its ability to thrive in tough conditions, rosemary stands as a living symbol of resilience and remembrance, a plant that endures and inspires, season after season. Grow rosemary at home, and you'll have a daily source of flavor, fragrance, and well-being, nourishing both body and mind with every sprig you pick. Meet the curry bush, Murraya koinigi, a small graceful tree whose glossy, aromatic leaves are treasured in South Asian cuisine and traditional medicine. This humble plant, often found in home gardens and bustling markets, is more than just a culinary staple. It's a living symbol of heritage and wellness. Its leaves, with their distinctive fragrance, are woven into the daily lives of millions, flavoring dishes and supporting health for generations. Curry leaves are celebrated for their remarkable health benefits. They aid digestion, support heart health, and are rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients. In the garden, their strong aroma acts as a natural pest deterrent, helping to protect neighboring plants from unwanted insects. This makes the curry bush a valuable companion for gardeners seeking organic solutions. For the best flavor, use curry leaves fresh. Sizzle them in hot oil to unlock their full aroma, or add them to curries, soups, and stews for a burst of earthy, citrusy notes. Their unique taste elevates simple dishes, transforming everyday meals into something special. The curry bush thrives in warm, sunny spots and adapts well to pots, making it perfect for patios or small spaces. With just a little care, regular watering and occasional pruning, it rewards you with a steady supply of fresh leaves year-round. Harvesting a handful of leaves is more than a gardening task. It's a way to connect with a rich culinary and healing tradition. Each leaf carries the wisdom of generations, linking you to a vibrant culture and a legacy of natural wellness. The scent released when you brush the leaves is both invigorating and protective, creating a fragrant shield that benefits your garden and nourishes your body. The curry bush is a true giver, offering flavor, health, and natural pest control in one beautiful, aromatic package. It's a plant that enriches your garden, your kitchen, and your well-being. Lemon verbena captures the essence of sunshine with its bright, citrusy scent. Its leaves are packed with antioxidants, helping protect your cells and boost vitality. Lemon verbena tea calms nerves, aids digestion, and promotes restful sleep. The plant's delicate flowers attract pollinators, supporting your garden's ecosystem. Grow it in sun, protect from frost, and enjoy its fragrance on patios or balconies. Use fresh or dried leaves in teas, desserts, or marinades for a burst of citrus. Lemon verbena bridges personal wellness and garden health. Sage, named for health and salvation, is a powerhouse of healing. Its leaves fight bacteria and fungi, making sage tea or gargles great for throat and mouth health. Sage aids digestion and makes rich meals easier to handle. It's also linked to mental clarity and memory, a claim now under scientific study. Hardy and beautiful, sage thrives in sun and well-drained soil. Use it fresh or dried for a direct link to ancient herbal wisdom. Oregano, the joy of the mountain, is a culinary and medicinal powerhouse. Rich in carvacrol and thymol, it's a natural antibiotic and immune booster. Oregano tea soothes coughs and supports respiratory health, while its antioxidants protect your cells. Easy to grow in sun, oregano thrives in pots or as ground cover. Use it fresh or dried for flavor and wellness, far beyond just pizza. Oregano proves that common herbs can offer extraordinary healing. Add it to your garden for robust health and vibrant taste. Thyme may look delicate, but it's a resilient herb packed with healing power. Its essential oil, rich in thymol, gives thyme strong antibacterial and respiratory benefits. Use thyme tea or steam inhalations to ease coughs and congestion. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, supporting your immune system. Grow thyme as ground cover or in pots, it thrives with little care. Lemon thyme adds a citrus twist, expanding its uses in the kitchen. Thyme is a small plant with big benefits for courage and health. Lemongrass looks simple, but its stalks are packed with flavor and healing. Its tea calms the mind, relieves stress, and aids sleep. Lemongrass soothes digestion, fights bacteria, and acts as a gentle diuretic. Its citrus scent repels mosquitoes. Plant it near patios for a natural bug barrier. Easy to grow in sun and water, lemongrass multiplies quickly. Use the tender core in teas, soups, and curries for a refreshing boost. Lemongrass is a must-have for calm, cleansing, and protection. African basil, or clove basil, stands out for its spicy aroma and resilience. Rich in eugenol, it supports respiratory health and fights infections. Brew its leaves as tea to soothe coughs and boost immunity. Its antioxidants and antibacterial compounds make it a versatile healer. Use African basil in cooking for a bold, unique flavor. This hardy, pest-resistant plant thrives from cuttings, not seeds. African basil is a living symbol of strength and vitality in your garden. These 10 herbs are easy to grow and offer powerful health benefits right from your garden. From lavender's calm to rosemary's clarity and oregano's immune support, nature provides what we need for wellness. Cultivating these plants connects us to the earth and creates a living apothecary at home. Start with a few pots. Your garden can become your personal pharmacy. Like, share, and subscribe to Nature's Fix for more natural living and gardening tips.